When it comes to Salesforce Marketing Cloud project, good morning everyone. So let me start recording. So let me greet it. Salesforce Marketing Cloud, we get basically three kinds of projects. Data migration project, we might get email build, we might get the cloud pages where they check your skill set and they will check your HTML knowledge, CSS knowledge, JavaScript knowledge. They will check the knowledge on AMP script, SSJS and more. You might get projects around automation. Automation in the sense, it's not only Automation Studio. It might be even Journey Builder. Automation. You might get project on integration. If I want to do integration, we have Marketing Cloud Connect, we have MuleSoft knowledge, or it might be the API programming. Okay. So these are the four major places where you get your project. Data migration, from moving from one place to the other place, email build, cloud pages, automation, and integration. Good. So now I have received somewhere around email build. This email build is forcing me to learn Photoshop and Dreamweaver. So I have to learn it if I want to build. This is the gray area. I have never worked much on email build where I have done the scratch coding. So keeping these different sectors, how does a project works? That is the general cycle what you people have to know.
Yeah.
And I would request. Thank you. So now let me go with this one. Let me pick one project, a general project, and how email should be embedded there. If you take any web project, I'm not talking about SFMC now, any web project, you will have three areas. One is called as front end. You will have back end. You have server side scripting. Server side, any web. If you take this as an example, front end is for the end user, back end is the database, server side scripting is the one which helps us to make the front end communicate with the back end. This is the general web project, no matter whichever the technology you use. And the cycle goes like this. You'll have a web page. And web page will have a form. Once the subscriber submits the form, that will be taken consideration and it will be stored in a database. This is the database. And to bring the data from web page to the database or from the database to the web page, we will have a layer here, and this is the server-side scripting language. Server-side scripting language. It depends on the technology. So this will take the data from web page, give it to database, or it might take the data from the database and give it to your web form. That's it. This is the basic thing. Now, after knowing that the flow from web page to server side language, from server side to database, database to server side, and then web page, whenever there is an action here, like updating the email address or providing the additional information, we will make a email sent. Very simple. This is where Salesforce Marketing Cloud comes into picture. To send the email based on the actions, or it might be the case that client wants to send the email, which is a promotional email with 50% off, 10% off. So that is a basic layer. You might fit in somewhere here in database or server-side language or web page. If you know to do all the three, then we call them as full stack developer. Full stack developer. If you know only web page part, then you are called as front-end developer. If you know only to do database, then you are called as database developer or back-end developer. The one who knows front-end, it's always a best practice to know the server-side scripting. Good. So if you know all to do, then you are called as full stack developer or web developer. If I call someone as a web developer, they should know to do all the three. If you know all the three, learning Salesforce Marketing Cloud is not a big deal. Good. What is that you should learn is only the two. That's it. If you come from this background as a full stack developer, then your life is very easy in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Else you should learn or put additional efforts to learn these things. If you come from different backgrounds like database, I'm totally new, all these things can be handled. This is the general project what I'm discussing. Now, if I go into each one of the specific one, we have a lot to learn. And plan is to make you people as consultant. That is the reason we are trying to discuss these major projects and we'll be discussing around them. Make sense? So I'll stop the recording here and we'll move from there.